Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can simply earn money from BingX. So how you can do copy trading and what are the process and what are the things that you should see before do copy trading. And I will teach you how you can simply buy crypto and how you can simply see other profiles and copy the trading and start your trading career here in BingX platform. And I have also provided the referral link in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the description box link, then you can simply see this kinds of interface, and the plus point is you will get free reward over there. So if you follow the link, then you will get free rewards over there. So BingX is a like trading leading crypto trading platform where you can simply start your trading career over here. Simply, first of all, you need to register before see the other interface. So like a register, you can simply provide your email address and the password, and I have already provided the referral link. Please check it out. And here is the referral code also. I have also mentioned the referral code in the description box. Please check it out, and if you follow the link, automatically it will open like this. If I open this kinds of interface, I cannot provide my email address and password here, it's against YouTube policy, so I will register later on, but you need to like enter email and enter your password, then only you can simply tap on register. Then after, you will be able to register. After the registration, you can simply see this kinds of interface like BingX birthday bonanza. Okay, simply you can claim the reward. New user rewards will be provided by BingX, but first of all we need to like deposit some amount of money here in the BingX. Like deposit now. If you deposit the some amount of money, then you can simply open the mystery box over here. So it's just a very easy and simple process. So if you deposit the money, then you can simply get it. Okay, first of all, I'll just buy the crypto. I will teach you how you can simply buy the crypto over here, like, and you can simply buy or sell the crypto over here. So whichever you want to, like for USD, USDT, and whichever you like, whichever prefer, you think that this is the favorable and preferable for you, then you can simply go through that. Like for example, USD, ETH, like there are varieties of currencies over there, so simply you can buy. And for the selling also as it is, so whichever is favorable to sell, then you can simply sell the crypto. Now we are moving for the like copy trading. So how you can start trading here, so in detail I'm going to provide you the information. So like I have already clicked on the copy trading, and here you can simply see like here are the copy traders, like futures traders are here. Like if you want to copy, then you need to first of all analyze their profile. So how much the percentage, the profit percentage they have. So according to this, we will just copy the trading over there. So for example, GP traders and Leonardo. So first of all, we will look for the GP traders, then after I'll teach you how you can simply see all those things over here, how to analyze and analyze the trader, and then simply do copy. Okay, so let's go for the GP traders, and here you can see like you can simply see his profile and his joining date also, like 2022 at December a month he joined, and see the data overview like 1690%. The profit increased by 1690% in the last 30 days. So it means this traders is very good. So he's very good. So simply you can copy it. So we'll see in a detail. So what are the things before copy the trading over here. So here you can see the data overview here, like trading data, like 1690.68% has been increased in the last 30 days. Okay, and the like amount, ratio, and like copy profit and the loss and risks, you can each and every details are provided here. And if you want to do copy, then you can simply copy now over there. So if you deposit the money, and simply you can copy. So I think this is a good trader, because he does have the like the performance. You can also see like profit is very nice than loss. So this person is in the profit, so you can simply trust this person and start copy over here. So you can simply do as your own risks. So here you can see like the line graph. You can simply see over there like the ratio is increasing, the profit ratio is increasing day by day. Like at the starting it doesn't seems to be he is in the right ratio, but after at the end of the month, or the like the 30 days, at the last day, he is in the very much like he is profitable. And the copy profit are here, and copiers are 178. Okay, so simply 178 people have the copy this trader. Okay, so if you want to copy this trader, simply you can go through it. You can simply see the performance over here, like green signals for the profit and red is for the loss. And top traded, he's like a BTC, he have done like BTC, like Bitcoin. Okay, and you can simply see all the overview like this, and finalize the traders, which traders is favorable and suitable for you. Then you can simply start copy trading. So it's just a very easy process, but do at your own risks. So if you have some amount of money, then you can simply go through it. So here you can see the chart over there, like the ratio at the end, like for the certain amount it has decreased, but at like 27 28 days it has increased by like 1700, but it has decreased at the end of the month, like by like 10 to 20%. But he's in a very good ratio, like 1690.68%, the profitable amount he does have. So simply GP traders, if you want to follow, then you can simply follow these traders and start your trading career here in BingX platform. So simply you can judge and analysis. So you can see for the Leonardo also. So we'll explore other traders also. So like how many copiers does they have, and how many profit does they have gain. So simply each and every details we are going to see. Then after we'll finalize the one traders and start copy trading on here in BingX platform. Okay, so here like the data review, like plus 964.63% has been increased. Like you can simply see the copiers, it does have the very nice copiers, like 976 copiers is not a joke at all. And the copier profit is you can simply see here like 4387.34%. wow, this is so amazing. So if you I'm very impressive. And you can see the performance also. In the last 30 days he does not have any loss, he only have profit. You can simply see there, like the only green signal means this traders is in the profitable like the position. And it does have the very like BTC, he is just using Bitcoin. If you want to like copy, then you can simply tap on the copy now. So then after you will be able to copy. So I like this trader, so please visit the trader profile, then only decide to do copy trading. here I have done the copy trading here, but I need to deposit some amount of money over here. So simply you need to deposit a certain amount of money before do copy trading here in BingX platform. So whichever currency you want to select for, please select the currency, then only decide to deposit the some amount of money here in BingX platform. So BingX is a leading cryptocurrency platform. Simply you can use this platform in a very effective way. So I have provided the referral link in the description box, please check it out, and I have also provided the referral code, please check it out. And I'm just teaching how you can simply deposit and withdraw, that I have already teach you at the beginning, like buy crypto and sell crypto over there. So here like in the market, you can simply visit the market and see the data side, whichever data you want to, like BTC, ETH, and there are lots of cryptocurrencies over here. And the changes, you can simply see the changes, like the green signal is for the profitable, and like for the red signal it is for the like it is in the loss. Okay, in the next, in the like 24 hour. So simply you can see all this data and finalize which currency you want to do for, then simply go through it. Okay, so here are like derivatives also, so I'm going to teach you in an individual. I have told you about the copy trading, so how you can simply do. So it's just a very sensible thing, it's very sensitive. Please do visit the profile of the traders, then only decide to do copy trading. Okay, so here are the derivatives of this platform, BingX platform. Simply you can visit this and simply see for the BTC the selling price and the selling and the buying. Red is for the selling and green is for the buying. So simply you can simply see so which currency is like highly like sell or buy by the traders. Okay, so simply you can choose the crypto currencies like BTC, like ETH, whichever is favorable, and do you think that I will just get the profitable amount here, then you can simply go through it. So it's just a very easy and simple task over here. So successfully we have learned about like BingX, how to buy crypto, how to do visit the traders profile and analyze and finalize the traders, then only we'll decide for the copy trading. And we have learned for the like derivatives, and here is just a simple process. So follow all this process and do visit through our referral link. If you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there, and please follow our referral link and you will get new user rewards over here. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link and just do at your own risks. Thank you.